Hey, so as I mentioned in my blog, I have my 26-week savings challenge that I created. It's original to me, and it's for people who get paid bi-weekly. I actually made all of these printouts, but basically you go up every paycheck by $15, so intervals of 15, and at the end of it, you should have $5,265. Now, I created this a couple years ago, but I've never gone all the way through. This year, I'm bound and determined to do that. I did, however, start it earlier in the year like I was supposed to, and then took the money out and stopped it. So I'm going to erase this. I went to the bank today, and I got the money needed to get caught up. So I got a 50. I got 3 20s. I got 3 10s. And I got 2 5s. So for the first week, as I showed, I should be putting in $15. And then the second week, I should be putting in 30. So first we're going to do $15. So I will take a 5 and a 10, fold it, and I got the envelopes that fit perfectly if you just fold it like this, and you don't have to do it in quarters, so that's nice. So that's the first one done. And instead of using a dry erase marker this time, I'm actually going to just use a permanent marker, but it still comes off with rubbing alcohol or nail polish remover. So second week, we need to put in 30. And actually, I have my calculator here, so I can show you. So the first week, we'll put in 15. Plus, the second week, we're going to put in 30, which would give us 45 for the first 2 weeks. So let's get 30. It's going to be a 20 and a 10. There we go now. Circle that one, check it off. Okay, so then for week 3, we're supposed to put in $45. So we're going to take the 5 and the 20s. Circle that. That's done. We'll add it to our calculator. So we have $45 so far, plus another 45 would give us 90. For week 4, we have to put in 60. So we have the 50 and the 10. Circle that one. And that means I am now caught up. We currently have $150 in our 26-week savings challenge. So I'll, next time I get paid, put in for week 5, which would be $75, and then week 6 will be $90, and I'll be all caught up. So I'm actually going to list these on my Etsy. I have different colors. So the inside inserts I make myself, so those are going to be the same colors. The envelopes come like this, but I have different colors of the actual clear binders. So I'll be listing those on my Etsy's in the color variations, and if you want to order one for yourself with the inserts and put it together and get started on your own weekly savings challenge, you can find that on my Etsy. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.